In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a voiceover in the Gamma app. This tutorial will walk you through each part of the process, ensuring you feel confident when you're ready to implement these steps on your own project. Just sit back, relax, and let's get started. First, log into your Gamma app account. Once you're in, navigate to the Gammas tab. This section serves as your central hub where you can manage all your Gamma projects. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time, as it will make your workflow smoother. After you're in the Gammas tab, you'll want to select the specific project you'd like to add a voiceover to. Clicking on the project will open it up for editing. It's a good idea to make sure you've selected the correct project before moving forward, as this can save you time later on. Now, within your chosen project, locate the area where you want to embed your audio. Clicking on a space helps to pinpoint exactly where your narrative will best enhance the visual content. Consider the flow of your project and where a voiceover might best suit the storytelling or informational purposes. Once you have your space identified, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll see the option for videos and media. Click on this and you'll find various media tools at your disposal, allowing you to enhance your project further. Next, you're going to choose the option for video or audio embed. With this choice, you're telling the app that you want to include an audio file. This step is crucial for engaging your audience as it combines visuals with audio, making your project more dynamic. In the corresponding field, type in the URL for your audio file. This should be the direct link to the sound you wish to insert. Ensure your audio is hosted somewhere accessible, like a file sharing service, and double-check that the URL is correct to prevent any issues. Once the audio URL has been entered and embedded into your project, take a moment to play the audio. This is your opportunity to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check the sound quality and that it aligns perfectly with the visual elements in your Gamma project. And that's it! You've successfully added a voiceover to your project in the Gamma app. By following these steps carefully, you can create engaging multimedia presentations that combine the best of both sight and sound. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with each project, your skills will continue to grow. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.